Welcome to my channel. Netgear Orbi RBS350 AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 dual-band mesh add-on satellite. Setup. Place your Orbi satellite in a central location within the Wi-Fi coverage area of your Orbi router. Ensure the satellite is powered on and ready to connect. Connect satellite to power. Plug the satellite into a power outlet and wait for the power LED to light up solid white. Sync satellite with Orbi router. For any technical issue, 1-866-889-0666. Press the sync button on the back of your Orbi router for about 1 second and then release it. Within 2 minutes, press the sync button on the back of the Orbi satellite and hold it until the satellite's ring LED pulses white and then lights solid white. Once connected, check the satellite's LED to ensure it's solid white, indicating a good connection. Walk around your home or office to ensure that the Wi-Fi coverage from the Orbi satellite is adequate and seamless when transitioning between the satellite and router. For any technical issue, 1-866-889-0666. Thanks for watching.